Hello, my name is Max, and today I would like to provide a quick overview to our OMNIKEY SE Reader Core product family. The HID OMNIKEY SE Reader Core represents the future of intelligent physical and logical access for connected workspaces, healthcare environments, education campuses, office buildings, and beyond. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core is developed upon the latest third-generation embedded platform from HID Global. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core replaces both the I-Class SE Reader module family and the BT Extender Bluetooth expansion module. It includes more memory, faster performance, expanded connectivity, and Bluetooth Low Energy while still offering a secure and standards-based independent technology and flexible identity data structure based on the secure identity object. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core allows integrators to design next-level mobile functionality into devices for physical access, including doors, elevators, turnstiles, as well as logical access, including laptops, IT applications, secure printing, vending, smart lockers, and much more. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core is a triple-frequency reader module, low-frequency, high-frequency, and Bluetooth Low Energy, natively supporting Bluetooth for HID mobile access. It supports a broad range of contactless card technologies, including HID Mobile Access, COS I-Class, HID Prox, Indala, MyFair, DesFire, and NFC applications. It is a mobile-ready solution that could enable seamless support for credentials stored in Apple Wallet and Google Wallet. With an embedded OMNIKEY Secure element, it benefits from optimized low power consumption. The OMNIKEY Secure element is Internet of Things ready and has improved firmware update capability. Supporting Weekend, UART, and USART host communication, it also has 3 application modes, including Autonomous Mode, External API Mode, and OSDP Mode. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core is available in mini and standard sizes. The SE Reader Core has been designed for ease of upgrade of existing systems, as it follows the I-Class SE Reader Module Mark II format. Transition from I-Class SE Reader modules without changing the external footprint. It benefits from reduced overall height and added functionality. Continue utilizing existing low-frequency and high-frequency antennas and benefit from integrated Bluetooth Low Energy hardware, eliminating the need for an additional extender module. Connection to the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core is made via a 30-way board-to-board connector, or wire-to-board Molex Pico Blade system connectors, only on the standard version, or on the host board, pin headers to solder holes. Antenna connection is via Pico Blade or solder holes for high frequency, solder holes for low frequency, and a UFL connector for Bluetooth LE. For quick and easy integration, HID provides the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core Developer Toolkit, DTK. The DTK provides the necessary tools, documentation, and developer resources material to shorten integration cycles and speed time to market with finished products. The Developer Toolkit includes a development board, an OMNIKEY SE Reader Core Mini, an OMNIKEY SE Reader Core Standard, HF and LF antennas and cables, a Bluetooth antenna, sample credentials, a quick start guide, and a license key for OMNIKEY Developer Portal access. The DTK license key provides access to the Developer Center, where all drivers, software, documentation, and release notes can be downloaded. To update, configure, and diagnose OMNIKEY Gen 3 readers, you can use the OMNIKEY Reader Manager, ORM. This is a PC application which can be downloaded from the Microsoft App Store. The OMNIKEY SDK is provided as source code or as a set of libraries available for Windows, Linux, and embedded platforms. Its main purpose is to encapsulate the entire communication stack along with additional low-level features which are used to control the reader. The SDK can easily be integrated into your application using the exposed C API. OMNIKEY SE Reader Core solution can be divided into 2 parts, cloud backend and local products. OMNIKEY Cloud Services provides the following functions: access to HID level features, repository for firmware update files, secure configuration files, user authentication to the cloud services via OMNIKEY Reader Manager for access to exposed features. The local products consist of the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core hardware module, the software tool OMNIKEY Reader Manager, and the SDK. The OMNIKEY Reader Manager is a desktop application used to configure and maintain the device. A mobile solution will be available soon. It connects to the reader over Serial Interface or BLE. It also connects to cloud services using HTTPS. The OMNIKEY SDK is a set of source code files and libraries, which enables communication with the reader. It is available for Windows, Linux, and embedded platforms. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core has one dual-core microcontroller, MCU, and this is always powered when the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core itself is powered. The MCU is responsible for all operations including low-power credential detection, credential reading, and internal power control. The reader core has a number of states according to the operation mode required. HID OMNIKEY Secure Element has been integrated to safely store the required digital keys. A discrete flash memory device is used for firmware updates. EF credential communications use an HF transceiver controlled by a serial interface. Serial communication ports allow connection to a host and optionally an expansion circuit. Power must be supplied from an external source and is rectified to 3.3 volts by the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core. An optional 3v3 direct power scheme is supported, where an external well-regulated 3v3 power supply is used directly by the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core without any further regulation. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core operates in several modes, which can be divided into two main types: application modes and transient modes. There are three application modes: autonomous mode, external reader API mode, and OSDP mode. And there are three transient modes: shell mode, config and update mode, and shutdown mode. Starting with the application modes, autonomous mode is the main mode of the reader, communicating over serial or weekend. The reader autonomously reads credentials based on the configuration and is well suited for low-power solutions. External reader API mode puts the reader in a slave mode. This is used to manage and configure the device and to manually read data from credentials. OSDP mode, Open Supervised Device Protocol, is a communication standard for access control systems. It also has some limited ERA command capability. Within the transient modes, shell mode is mainly used for device testing. Shutdown mode is the mode with the lowest power consumption and is akin to standby, waiting for an interrupt to wake it. Config and update is the mode entered automatically during firmware and config update. This is not directly accessible by the user. OMNIKEY Reader Manager is an application designed to help with diagnosing, configuring, and updating OMNIKEY Gen 3 readers. OMNIKEY Reader Manager is available on the Microsoft Store. The ideal solution to locally manage the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core. It allows you to update the firmware and configuration of the device, read data from a credential presented to the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core, and manage HID and custom keys. There will be a separate video for this topic. The OMNIKEY SDK is a software package designed to simplify the development of applications utilizing the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core. The SDK consists of two main elements: the OMNIKEY SE API Core, which is a cross-platform library that exposes functions allowing you to interact with the OMNIKEY SE Reader Core, and the OMNIKEY SE API hardware abstraction layer used for platform-specific operations and its implementations. The OMNIKEY SDK is supplied with a couple of ready-to-use implementations. OMNIKEY Remote SDK, RSDK, is an extension which adds an additional layer on top of the OMNIKEY SDK. From the host application point of view, there is almost no difference if the OMNIKEY SDK or Remote SDK is integrated. Migration from one to another is seamless, provided additional remote-specific logic is not used. There will be a separate video for this topic. Here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.